In today's video, I'll show you how to unlink your Instagram account from Facebook. If you want to manage your account separately, this is the way to do it. So let's get started. First, unlock your device and open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Next, tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll and tap on Account Center. Now look for Sharing Accounts Profile. As you can see, you will see Facebook listed here. Tap on it to access the Facebook settings linked to your account. Now you can find your Facebook account. Simply tap on Unlink Account or Remove Account. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm that you want to unlink your Facebook account from Instagram. Once you confirm, your Instagram account will be unlinked from Facebook and you can use both platforms independently. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your Instagram account from Facebook.